Understanding German possessive articles. If you've encountered words like mein, dein, or ihr, you've come across possessive articles. In this lesson, we delve into understanding these articles in the German language. Basics of possessive articles. To comprehend possessive articles, a solid grasp of personal pronouns is crucial. We covered personal pronouns in Lesson 11, and it's essential to revisit them before delving into possessive articles. Ich. Possessive articles in nominative are mein and meiner. Example: Ich bin Peter. Das ist mein Fernseher. Nominative case and possessive articles. In the nominative case, possessive articles vary based on both the pronoun and the gender of the noun. For ich, masculine der mein is used. Example: Das Auto. Das ist mein Auto. Feminine die or plural die, meiner is used. Example: Die Fernseher. Das ist meiner Fernseher. Possessive articles for other pronouns. Let's explore possessive articles for various pronouns, do you and formal. Masculine der or neuter das, dein is used. Example: Das Auto. Das ist dein Auto. Feminine die or plural die, deiner is used. Example: Die Fernseher. Das ist deiner Fernseher. He and she. Masculine der or neuter das, sein is used. Example: Das Kind. Das ist sein Kind. Feminine die or plural die, sein is used. Example: Die Puja. Das ist sein Puja. It. Masculine der or neuter das, sein is used. Example: Das Kind. Das ist sein Kind. Feminine die or plural die, sein is used. Example: Die Puja. Das ist sein Puja. Were we and ihr you, formal or plural. Masculine der or neuter das, unser is used. Example: Das Auto. Das ist unser Auto. Feminine die or plural die, unser is used. Example: Die Familie. Das ist unser Familie. Ihr you, informal, plural, and see you, formal. Masculine der or neuter das, your ihr is used. Example: Das Auto. Das ist your Auto. Feminine die or plural die, your ihr is used. Example: Die Familie. Das ist your Familie. See they. Masculine der or neuter das, ihr is used. Example: Das Auto. Das ist ihr Auto. Feminine die or plural die, ihr is used. Example: Die Familie. Das ist ihr Familie. Recap and practice. In summary, mastering possessive articles involves remembering the pronoun and the gender of the noun. Pronoun: identify the personal pronoun ich, du or, etc. Article of the object: determine if the noun's article is der, die, das, or die, plural. Application: use the appropriate possessive article based on the above criteria. Practice these rules, and in the next lesson, you'll learn how to talk about your family using these possessive articles. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Auf Wiedersehen.